Hi, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Branches University, Lucknow. Today, we are discussing about the strategy implementation, strategy management part, in which we have to discuss about the McKinsey's 7S model. Basically, why this McKinsey's model come down in the process of the strategy management or the strategy implementation process? Because there are certain problems arises during the process of structural management or the values toward the side of the strategy management. Like how well the organization is positioned to achieve its objectives. Or second, are all parts of the organization working in harmony, or are the strategies being implemented effectively, and what needs to be done to improve the performance of the organization. So for this, a behavioral scientist McKinsey's provided 7S model, because this is basically the first time appeared in the art of Japanese management by Richard Pascal and Anthony Ethos. This concept was come down. Who? That is Richard Pascal and Anthony Ethos. We developed in 1980 two well-known business consultation, Tom Peter and Robert Waterman, working at the McKinsey's and Company consulting firm. So the basic premises of this model is that there are 7 internal aspects of an organization that need to be aligned if it is to be successful. 7 internal, what is that? Internal aspect. Now, so in this, McKinsey's offers to be there. It is a management model which as per the 7 models is to be. What is the equivalent? We have just put down a structure. I will just draw the line. A structure, a strategy, then skills, then staff, then style, leadership style, etc. Then system. How much things to be there? One is to be remaining. That is, all are real shared values. This is. And now, shared values, each and everything is to be linked. That, everyone is related. Whether everyone is related? No. Here this is not related. Here this is like that. Then it is like that. Like this is like that. This is like that. I think everyone is related. This is basically, so today whatever we will discuss is strategy, skills, staff, style, systems and the structure are related to the shared values. So we have to take up one by one. In this structural models, 2 things are there: hard elements and soft elements. Hard elements and soft elements. What is hard elements? बताइए, जिसको हम चेंज नहीं कर पाते हैं. बहुत टॉप मैनेजमेंट इज टू बी देयर, सर्टेन सिस्टम वी कैन नॉट मोटिवेट, चेंज इज टू बी. सो that is strategy, structure, and what are system. These are basically the hard. And what about the soft model? That is shared values. किसको कितनी इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Then skills we can update as per the need basis. Then style. Then the last is staff. This is basically the soft values is to be there. So, what is the hard elements? Easier to define and identify. Management can directly influence them. Strategy statements, organization charts and reporting lines, formats and IT system. These are the various things towards the side of the hard elements. And what were the soft elements? Soft elements difficult to describe. You cannot describe the shared values. You cannot describe skills. Like what is the skills to be required, particular system was there. Maybe possible during the process, as per the need, you need certain other or specialized skills can be possible. Less tangibles and influenced by culture. But it is true that both are important. Now we have to discuss one by one, and then we have to correlate. Shared values. This is originally called the superordinate goals. Superordinate goals. These are the core values of the company that are evidenced in the corporate culture and general work ethics. So, besides shared values, what should we have? We should know core values. What is our core values? Then, what is our team culture? Culture of the team, group, like that. And in which area we are strong. Everyone is to be there. Me, you, or other. You have certain core areas in which you are very strong. Or maybe in some areas you are weak. But you should know what is the weak area, what is the strong areas to be there. So, these things in the share values, because that you have to share. No one is to be there who want to share their weak values to be. Now, the strategy. A strategy is basically the route that the organization has chosen for its future growth. It is a plan devised to maintain competitive advantage over the competitors. So, for a strategy, what we should know, that is our strategy. What is our strategy? Number first. Second, how to achieve intent toward the side of achievements. Then, how we have to deal with the competitive pressure. And in this, the age of changing is possible. So, we have to knowledge about the changes in customer demand. Changes in customer demand as per the requirement. So, strategy is to be there. McKinsey model is to be told that we should look after at the time to time what is the requirement. Now, the third thing. Third is structure. The way in which organization units relate to each other. Centralized, functional, decentralized, matrix, whatever so. We have to deal how the organization is to be associated. That means before knowing on the strategy, structural values, systems, we should know about what is the structural chart, is to be hierarchical and horizontal both. Then the team members alignment and various departmental coordinates, what type of activities to be there. Now, the system. System is basically a procedure, process and routines that characterized how important work is to be done. The daily activities and procedures that staff members engage in to get the job done. Then, so this is the main observation. So accordingly, so expect the system. If you have to look after, the main question should be there. What are the main systems for the organization? Then, what are the controlling medias is to be there? And then, what are the internal rules was there? So in this, we have to change the systems to be there. Because McKinsey as model told this everything is in synchronized form, definitely the system will work and our strategy will definitely work. Now, the style. Everyone know about what is the style. Style is basically the leadership style. Whether you are using the autocratic, whether you are democratic, whether you are the legislative type, it's not. So, In this, we have to use what type of leadership values is to be adopted by the management side. The way in which organization employees present themselves to the outside world. This is also the noticeable part of that. So in this style, we have to look after participative management formations, then effectiveness of leadership, and do employees or team members tend to be competitive or cooperative. We have to just acknowledge. Then staff. Staff is basically the human resources. It represents the organization human resources, that is the employers and their general capabilities. How good we have to handle, whether we are using the HRD process or not, this is the thing. So in this, we have to check down that the positions and specializations, then positions need to be fulfilled and the gap is to be there. Now, the skills that is to be there. Because skill is basically, so whatever the company does, that is the best. These are the distinctive capabilities. Skill is distinctive capabilities and competencies of the organization. So we already told you in the management department, always show your positivity, not your negative part of the day. So your strongest skill you should be mentioned, represented to the company side. Then if any gap is to be there, you should know. Then whatever the company team on well-doing is to be there. This is now how this model helps in a strategy management formation. Because this model is basically prepared for the management of change. Change is basically a dynamic process. Every time this thing is to be happened. So McKinsey, as per the McKinsey rules, we have to use what is the current position, what will be the later position is to be given. So this model has good trail to use, especially in the following sequential formations. Like what is the sequential formations? Number one, understand the current state. What? Clear? Second, understand the future state, where we are after this change management concept it can become. Then create a 7S model review on the current state and then create a 7S model on the future stage. आज हम क्या हैं, कल क्या रहेंगे, इसका हम लोग एनालिसिस इसी बेसिस पर करते हैं. फिर compare the future framework with the current state is to be there. So in this system, in this values, in this model, we have to look after. Now this is the approach and form is to be. So in this, because the scientist, behavioral scientist, if you have to look after any type of like case study or a lot of players what we are, what will be happen after 5 years. Now, day by day, a lot of privatization is to be taken care. Modern industries, if you have to, like BSNL, Videsh Sanchar, earlier. Now this is the Tata customer. What even in the government institutions like in Uttar Pradesh or other thing, a lot of hospitals outsourcing cleaning facilities is to be given down. A lot of institutions. So we have to just check down what is the present strategy. If we are hire the person, then we'll take up the job, and if we are given the third person capabilities, and we have to give the orders to what the results to become. So in this 7S model, in this 7S philosophy, in this 7S system is to be there, we have to look after these seven values is to be. And in these values, whatever the clause is to be there, because we have to look after the current stage and the future stage. Then in current stage, we have to check down all the 7 parts to be there, like structure, system, style, staff, skills, strategy, and the shared values. Then again, after the development, we have to check down structure, how we are, because if we will not check down this type of system is to be carried out, then definitely our values is not be synchronized. The main, because all are important part in the organization, and if the organization behave like that, then only we can say the system is fruitful. Because like a simple example, like any type of amalgamation, any type of merger, any type of something, what we have to look after whatever the previous strategy, whatever the later strategy is to be there. We have, because in the Kenya Airlines was there in that time that is to be privatized. Even our private airlines can become government airlines, or our businesses, private to government, government to private. A lot of schools, government provide the ad, and after the ad, they will just check down what is the strategy earlier, what is the strategy later on, what is the growth rate is to be there. So whatever the things is to be, whatever the staff values, whatever the value system, each and everything we have to look after accordingly. Otherwise, what happens to be there? Because this is the art of Japanese management. We have to see what we are today and what we are tomorrow, and we have to be completely studies to be there. Because this model, you know that 1980 we have developed this type of model was there, and accordingly McKinsey and Company strategy consulting firm is provide this type of things. So this is the main observative formulation is to be there. Whatever the formulation, whatever the values, whatever the traditions, whatever the knowledge is to be there, in this we have to just down, because all are important part of that in the Saville McKenzie's model. And we have to look up, because three things you cannot just down, because hard part was there, and the other is the hard one. In the hard part, you know the things is to be, because it's already published, already written down in the company's books, company's policy, and each and every part is to be there. So now we end up, now the concluding part of that, in the McKinsey model, in the strategy implementation, we have to look after all 7 things is to be needed and 7 things to be stabilized. And as the all 7 things are the need of today's business, we have to look after this thing, and every ground is to be there. Like structure, system, style, staff, skill, strategy with the values of shared values. If everything is like that, definitely our strategy will be right approach to be.